I came home from a long fun day, ready to run and jump and play. But Pink Cat looked and shook her
You are
head.
very dirty. You must be clean first before playing with us.
So we learned the steps that make it right to get us sparkling clean and bright.
Oh, it's the hygiene shuffle, come along. Let's wash the germs away and sing this song.
The video you just watched was made entirely with AI. And in this video, I am going to show you step by step exactly how to create something like this from scratch. Now, I found this channel that was made specifically for this kind of content. And as you can see on my screen right here, this channel got fully monetized on YouTube just by posting AI cartoon music videos made specifically for children. If you go through their videos, you will notice that every single video they are posting is safe for children. And more importantly, these are videos that actually teach little kids good morals, like this one right here titled Riding Bike Safety Song. Now, that is honestly something every parent on earth would want their kids to watch on YouTube. And that is exactly what we are going to be creating today. My name is Blessing Anyedi Holyfield. And if you are meeting this channel for the very first time, please do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, leaving an amazing comment, and sharing it with someone who needs to see this. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back. Now let's dive straight into today's tutorial. So the first step we need to take is coming up with our topic idea. And when I say topic idea, what I mean is topics that align with kids' education. For example, if we head back to this channel and scroll down, you will find that the kind of topics they are making are mostly related to helping kids grow and, most importantly, educate them. Like right now, you can see that their latest video title is Safety First at Bath Time. And the second one is titled Riding Bike Safety Songs. So you can see that these two videos align directly with kids' education. And that is exactly the kind of direction we want to be thinking in when coming up with our own topic idea. So the next step you are going to take is heading over to Gemini to generate the idea and prompts we need to create our video. Now remember, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini, whichever one you find easy to work with, and then upload 3 cartoon images I downloaded online so that we can give Gemini a clear idea of the cartoon animation style we are going for. Now right here in the prompt box, we can type in our topic idea. I already have a story idea prepared for this tutorial, so I'm just going to paste it straight into the prompt box. Now the first thing I did was instruct Gemini to make it a 3-minute video in Disney cartoon style animation. Then starting from here is my actual video idea, which is making a video about the importance of kids having good personal hygiene. Now remember, your topic must be suitable for kids to watch, or at least a topic that any parent would actually want their kids to see on YouTube. After that, I also listed the number of characters I need for the video. I noticed that most kids cartoon videos on YouTube usually feature animal friends alongside a main character. So I added that my human character should be a dark-skinned 8-year-old girl named Chisom, and her animal friends should be a green pig, a white rabbit, a pink cat, and a gray dog. Every other detail I added was to instruct the AI on the actions that should be shown in the video, like washing of hands, showering, and other important hygiene habits that little children should know about. The last part I added was a prompt to guide the AI on the kind of output we need to create this video. Now, if you need the prompt guide and every other material I used, check the description below to follow along with this tutorial. So once that is all set, go ahead and click send. And as you can see from what we now have on screen, Gemini has generated everything we need: the prompt to create our characters, the scene by scene image prompts, the video generation prompt, and lastly, a lyrics style prompt to create the kids' music that matches the video. So now that we have all of these materials and prompts ready, let's move into creating our character sheet. Inside Gemini, copy the character sheet prompt for Chisom, then head over to Flow AI. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up so you can start using the daily free credits inside your new account. So in the prompt box right here, Paste in the character sheet prompt you copied from Gemini, then click on the model selection settings. Make sure you are using Nano Banana Pro for better image quality. Set the number of generations to ×2 so you can select the best image between the two. And also remember to use 16:9 aspect ratio since this is long form content. Once everything is set correctly, go ahead and click send and wait for it to start generating. So now you can see that we have 2 generated images of Chisom in her school uniform. Looking at the first image, it looks clean and every body angle is clearly visible, and that is what is going to give our AI model a better understanding of our character's body shape, height, body color, and everything else, so that when we use it to create the scene images, this character will appear consistent throughout every single scene. Now let's create the second character sheet for her animal friends. When we head back to Google Gemini, we will find where it says character sheet 2 for the green pig. So basically we are going to copy that character sheet prompt, head back to Flow AI, paste it straight into the prompt box, click send, and wait for the generated image. Now this is the character sheet image for the green pig. The first one doesn't really look as good as the second image, so we are going with the second image because the color looks brighter and cleaner. To download the image, click on the 3 dots above the image and you will see the download button. Once you click on it and choose 2K, the image will be saved automatically to whatever device you are using, whether that is a phone or a laptop. And just so you know, every step in this tutorial works on both your phone and your laptop as long as you follow each step carefully. So continue this same process for creating the remaining character sheets for the other animal characters. As you can see, I have already completed mine for the white rabbit, the pink cat, and finally the gray dog. So with that done, let's move on to the next step, which is creating our first scene. Head back to Gemini and you will find the prompt guide for creating the scene by scene images. Copy the first prompt and then head back to Flow AI. Before you paste in the prompt you copied, make all your characters a reference image by clicking on the 3 dots again and then clicking add to prompt. Do this for each of the remaining character sheets as well. Once you are done, paste in the prompt and click send. Now look at the quality of the image that was just created. When I click on the first image, you can see how clean and vibrant it looks, and it honestly looks like the kind of cartoon kids love to watch on YouTube, which is a really good sign that we are moving in the right direction here. So I went back to Gemini and copied the second prompt, pasted it back into the prompt box, and remember to set the newly created scene image as a reference image as well. Once you are done, click send to start generating. And again, we have another really cute image of Chisom's animal friends. This image looks really good and is 100% appealing for children watching on YouTube, TikTok, or even Facebook. So choose the one that looks best to you and download it to your device. Now with these steps I have shown you, what you basically want to do next is to create all the remaining scenes using the prompts from Gemini. So now that we have all our scene images ready, let's move into converting our image scenes into videos. Head back to Gemini and you will see where it says video generation prompt with dialogue. So what we are going to do now is copy the video generation prompt and then head over to this AI tool called Hailuo AI for the video generation. Now I decided to use Hailuo AI because it has the best video generation model available right now, which is Seedance 2.0. And this is the same model used by professionals to make kids 3D cartoon animation. Now this tool is not totally free, but once you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get free trial credits you can use to test it out. So once you have signed up or logged into your Hailuo AI account, the first step to take is to click on Create Video and you will land on the video creation workspace. Now you can already see that I have tested this out using our first scene. And from the output, it looks really good because I was able to use Seedance 2.0. So let me show you exactly how to try this yourself with the second image scene. When you head over to the prompt box where it says Start Frame, upload your second image scene, and then head back to Google Gemini to copy the second video generation prompt for the second scene image and paste that prompt straight into the prompt box. Then go to the model settings and choose Seedance 2.0. Make sure it is set at 16:9 aspect ratio at 720p. And you can even decide to set your video duration to 10 seconds. Once that is all set, go ahead and click send and wait for the generation to complete. Now, once the video generation has finished, you can see that the output came out looking better than expected. Another thing worth pointing out is that you will hardly find any glitches in this video, and that is because Seedance 2.0 inside Hailuo is simply the best when it comes to converting our 3D images into finished video animations. So follow this exact same process for converting the remaining scene images into video animation. And remember, if you want to try out Hailuo AI, the link to the official website is in the description below. Now that we have all our video clips ready, the next step is creating our music rhymes that match the topic of the video and something any kid would love to dance to. So the AI tool we are using for the music production is called Suno AI, and this tool is completely free to use. You can access the link in the description below this video. Once you have signed up or created an account, click on the Create button and you will land on the Music Creation Workspace. If yours has switched to simple, go ahead and change it back to advanced. Now you can see that Suno AI is asking us to input our lyrics and the style of music we want. And the good thing is Gemini has already given us all of that. So head back to Google Gemini and find where it says lyrics and music style, Suno AI. Copy the music style it gave you and paste it into the music style prompt box. Then head back to Gemini again and copy the lyrics for the music. Go back to Suno AI and paste it into the lyrics prompt box. Next, give your music a title. Let's go with kids music. Make sure you have completed all these steps and then click on create. Okay, now that our music has been generated, let's go ahead and listen to it to see if it is something a child will actually enjoy.
I came home from a long fun day. Way to run and jump and play.
Both songs sound incredible, and most importantly, the lyrics match perfectly with the story idea, which is good hygiene habits for kids. So between the two songs, go ahead and choose the one that sounds best to you and download it to whatever device you are using, whether that is a phone or a laptop. Now that we have our video clips and music ready, the final step is bringing everything together inside a video editing tool of your choice. For this tutorial, I am using CapCut because it is completely free and you can use it on either your phone or your laptop. So let's get into it. When I open CapCut, as you can see, I have already edited my version. The first step you need to take is to import all the video scenes we generated using Seedance inside Hailuo AI. And do not forget to also import the music into the timeline. The next thing you are going to do is arrange all the video scenes to match the lyrics of the music. For example, in the music, washing of hands was mentioned. So I had to add the video clip that shows Chisom washing her hands right at that point to match the lyrics. So that is basically what we are doing all the way through until everything is matched up accordingly. Once you are done, go ahead and click on export to save the finished video to your device. Now let's watch the final output.
I came home from a long fun day. Ready to run and jump and play. But Pink Cat looked and shook her
You are
head.
very dirty. You must be clean first before playing with us.
So we learned the steps that make it right to get us sparkling clean and bright.
Oh, it's the hygiene shuffle. Come
ready to play the whole day through. My friends are happy, soft and dry.
We hold our hands up to the sky. Oh, it's the hygiene shuffle, come along. Let's wash the germs away and sing this song. We scrub the dirt, we flush away the grime. We get so clean, one step at a time. Do the hygiene shuffle, 1, 2, 3, shiny and bright, just like you and me. So clean, so bright, so bright. We did the shuffle right.
From the final video, you can see that everything came out perfectly. The music matches the video, the quality is clean, and this is genuinely something any parent would want their kids to watch on YouTube because it teaches them the importance of good hygiene. So after you have created your own video, go ahead and create a kids YouTube channel, create a thumbnail for the video, add your title and description, and start uploading this kind of content on YouTube because these videos are monetizable. You can even post it on TikTok or Facebook, whichever platform you prefer. Now, with every step I have shown you today, make sure you go ahead and create your own. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way from the beginning to this point. And before I go, do not forget to like and subscribe because there are a lot more videos coming very soon. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.